Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're going to decorate my December monthly spread in my catch-all planner. This is the Happy Planner dashboard layout. You can see that there. We are going to be using 𝗨𝗏𝗏𝗡𝗏. These are some new stickers that are available in my shop now. All stickers are currently 50% off at pleasantlyplanned.com. If you will go to my website and sign up for emails, down at the bottom of the home page, you will get an email on Tuesday or Wednesday before Thanksgiving for an additional 10% off of the 50% off stickers. So make sure you head over to my website to sign up for those emails. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to be using probably not the big, I don't think I'm going to be using the big sticker sheet. We're going to be using the boxes. So all of my stickers, my new design stickers, have matching boxes, the mini, the small, and the large sticker sheets. So I think I'm just going to use the mini and small sticker sheets to decorate this spread. I do have a sticky note over off the side that has all of my plans for December. And then I'm also going to be using this kind of reddish plaid washi that I got from Michael's last year. It was part of the recollections. It was kind of in the like in one of the middle aisles. If you're at your local Michael's, they usually have like Christmas washi. So this was in like a 6-pack of Christmas recollections washi. So we're going to use this matching washi today as well. And I think I'm going to go ahead and do my washi tape. So let's do it across the bottom and see. I've never really started with washi. I usually fill in with washi, but I kind of want to start today with washi tape and see where the spread goes. So let's just line it up with the bottom here. I kind of bought this at the end of the season last year, so I didn't even really get to use it. So I've been waiting all year to use it. So let's see what we can do with it. I'm super excited for my Black Friday sale, that coupon code that I was telling you about just now. If you sign up for emails, that code is going to be available for Thanksgiving Day and Black Friday only to save an additional 10% off of the already 50% off stickers. So please make sure you're signed up for emails so that you can get that email and save that additional 10% off. You cannot beat that price for stickers. And I love, if you watched my last Plan With Me video, I just filmed the classic dashboard layout, and you've probably already seen that by now. But it literally was the quickest video ever to use my stickers, the boxes, and the matching stickers to create a spread. So you don't have to fumble through a bunch of sticker books trying to find coordinating stickers. I make it easy in my shop. You can get the stickers, the decorative stickers, and the matching boxes that will make decorating your spread for the week super simple, and you don't have to spend $20 on a sticker book that you're only going to use a quarter of the sheets of stickers out of. That is like one of my biggest issues with people that sell the sticker books, is you just don't use all the stickers, and then you have all this money laying around. So yeah, my stickers make it easy to decorate spreads, and you only have to order and pay for the minimum. So love that about my shop. So let's take this long vertical box and place it down here. Actually, yeah, we'll place it down here. And then I think I'm going to take, I'm actually going to use a big sticker for up here. We're going to put this little belt sticker like right here. Actually, I'm going to move that up some. I think I'm actually going to kind of cut it so it lays right on top of the box. Let's try this and see how this works. See, that's perfect. It fits perfectly. And then we're going to use some of my winter quotes to put a quote on this side as well. This is one of my winter dashboards that I covered up my December divider with. You can also get these on my shop, and I do have videos showing how I did that. So now let's take, I almost kind of want to take one of my header stickers. This says note. We're going to take this and kind of layer it here. But I think I'm going to white out this little bit of green behind this sticker. I don't like color shining behind my white stickers. It just kind of messes me up. I have OCD, like literally diagnosed with OCD. So don't say I'm trying to make fun of people with OCD. But I like to white out the color behind the white of my stickers. I don't really much anymore. I used to white out all the lines, anything behind my stickers. I try not to do that too much anymore, but I do like to white out the color. In 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏, we have these adorable, we have this little corgi. This reminds me of someone named Heather that I worked with. And then we have this cute little kitten down here. I'm not sure though which ones I want to use. I think I kind of want to use the boots with the poinsettias. It kind of matches with my bells that I put up on the top left. So I think I'm going to take this sticker and cut it across the bottom. And put it, oh, I have I have Oliver and Moo in here today, and for some reason Moo is barking now. So excuse me for my little doggies. But I am an animal lover, and I do have 4 dogs. So, Moo, stop. Okay, yeah, look how cute those little boots are. They're kind of crooked, but it's okay. It gives a spread character, doesn't it? All right, so my winter, should I use Christmas quotes or winter quotes? I might actually use Christmas quotes. Let me see if I can find some Christmas quotes. All right, so I'm going to use Christmas quotes too, and I'm going to use this sticker that says Merry Christmas. And we're just going to put it down here with my boots. Love it. Okay, that's one thing I love about the white matte sticker paper. I used to always love to use clear stickers, but when I use the white matte, look, I don't have to white out anything. Hardly anything. I do, like I said, white out the color behind the white in the sticker, but I don't have to white out lines or anything like that. So that is one of the best things about using the white matte sticker paper. Plus, they're 50% off. So you can't beat that. Okay. Let's go ahead and let me look at my little sticky note. So I have a whole sticky note here of things that I need to do. So on December, let's see, we have December 3rd, 11th, 15th, 19th, 15th, and 28th. 2 things on the 15th. No, 1 thing on the 15th. So let's do December 3rd. All right, let's just grab 3 of my little boxes here. I love my boxes sheets. Like I said, I love how simple spreads are to decorate with my stickers. I used to loathe having to go through all the Happy Planner sticker books to try to find stickers to make a spread work. So I just love how easy my stickers make it. Like literally you can decorate a whole spread in 15 minutes. Okay, December 3rd, December 11th. So the 11th is on this side. So what I'll do is I'll put boxes on days that I know that I have plans, and then we're just going to fill in boxes on days that I don't have plans, just to kind of even out the spread. So the 15th, which is over here, I have been invited to participate in the 25 days of Christmas. The paper and pen girl, Tamara, she invites me every year to participate in her 25 days of Planmas or Christmas videos. And so December 15th is when my video will air or be live. So that's December 15th, and then the 19th and the 28th. So the 19th and the 28th. So let's see, what other colors do we need? Let's do this darker pink on the 19th. And I think I'll go ahead and write in my plans while we're on the video here. Just because. And then the 28th, I think I'm going to do the light pink. So the 28th. And then we're going to kind of even out my boxes that's crooked, with some other boxes on days that I don't particularly have plans, but we're just going to kind of fill in just because. So let's take a green, and I'm going to put a green right here. I would put a green like over here, but I don't want green green, so we're going to kind of do a green here. And then we'll probably decorate around this box to kind of offset the two greens. But you know, sometimes you just run into that problem where you have the same color kind of in close proximity to the same color of boxes, but there's always ways to kind of offset that and work around that. So why don't we try, let's go with some decorative stickers. And I'm going to go to my mini sheet now. Am I, or am I going to go to my small sheet? Let's see. I think we're going to go to the mini sheet now. And we're going to decorate around some of these boxes. I probably am going to put something up top here to fill in this blank spot. So yeah, let's start with the mini sheet. I may incorporate the small sheet as well. All right, so what I think I'm going to start with is, I think we're going to take the little corgi. I love this little corgi. It's so cute. And I think we're just going to put it kind of over here to fill in this blank spot. And then we're going to take, let's take a bow. And we're just going to lay the bow over top of the box like that. And so then since I have that bow on that side on the green box, we're going to take a bow and put on this box. Now I do realize that I'm covering up the dates here, but I mean, it's kind of obvious. If the 22nd is here and the 24th is here, this is the 23rd. So not too much worried about covering up dates. I'm not going to make a big deal out of that. So let's see. I do want to, we're going to take, not this one. Let's take the little kitty cat and put it, I think I'm actually going to put the kitty cat over here. And the reason I'm doing that, I would put it up here beside this box, but I don't want two animals side by side. Like that kind of messes with me. So at least we have a cat here and a dog up top. So now let's take, look, I have washi tape stuck to my fingernail. I didn't even notice. Y'all are probably like, ooh, she's got washi tape stuck to her finger. So let's get rid of that. So now I think I'm going to take, so I have the bells up top here. I'm going to take these bells and put down here. And we did cover up the 27th, but I am, again, not concerned with that. And then I think I'm going to take this cocoa mug. The cocoa mug here. Again, I covered up the 10th, but not concerned about that. Look how cute this is already, y'all. It's adorable. To be honest, I don't think I'm going to do any more than what I've done, except I may put a little quarter box up here. So let's try. No, I'm not going to. I'm not going to. So because it's going to mess up the whole color vibe. Okay, so I think I'm actually done with this spread. I know that was super simple, but like I said, with my stickers and my boxes, decorating a spread is always very simple. So let's go ahead and put it back in my planner and see what it looks like. I like to keep my monthly kind of open so that I can put a lot of things in there. I like to put my bills in there, my videos, filming schedule, things like that. So yeah, I like to keep it open, but look how cute it is. It's just super cute, and I didn't use very many stickers. So have plenty of stickers left to do a Christmas spread somewhere else. So that is it for this video. I thank you guys so much for watching. I love y'all, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.